Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rks1 Creative Tech Pro. In this video today I am going to show you the unboxing of RC monister truck. So let's start the unboxing. Hi friends, I have a small request for you. Please do subscribe to my channel and share a video for your friends, families, etc. Let's check the car how it looks like. So this is our rock traveler monister car. Let's open it. I purchased this car from Flipkart. I provide this link is under the description box. If you need, you can also purchase from them. The signal strength between remote and car is 2.4 GHz. The company has provided on the box. The company is mentioned on the box, the signal strength between car and remote. Here is our rock traveler car. So let's see what the company has provided inside the box. I think they provided battery, etc. Yeah, they have provided battery and a charger. Let's see the capacity of battery. It is 4.8 volt and 700 milliamp hour. The charger output is 5 volt and it is 250 milliamp hour. So the battery takes to full charge around 2 to 3 hours. It's very long time. So here is our car and remote. Let's remove from the box. So the wheels of a car are very big size and looks as very pretty good. Here they have locked the car in this box. So remove unnecessary items from here. So the steering is controlled by this wheel of the remote and the trigger is a backward and forward movement of car. Let's check how the spring mechanism the car has made it. So it's a very good spring mechanism and motion. So it is a front wheels connected to steering. Totally it has a 3 DC motors. One is connected to the back side wheels and one is connected to the front wheels, and one motor is connected to steering for left and right movement. You can see here it is a front wheel for left and right movement. Here in remote we have to insert 3 AA batteries for power supply. Here I am inserting everyday cells. You can insert your wish, but we should insert 3 AA batteries and switch on the remote. Here you can see the blinking light. So insert the battery. After keep full charge for the battery. Insert this battery inside the car by removing bottom cap. Yeah, they have provided a space and pin. So connect to the battery and power supply port the car. Yeah, it's finished. Yes, it's finished. Okay, and I'm closing the cap. So let's power on the car. And fix the cap with screw. So you can see the blinking of red light in the car and remote. So it is a 4-wheel drive mechanism. You can see 4 wheels and front wheels are steering. The Let's check. It's a testing time.
స్టేడియో ఫోన్ నుంచి టర్న్ తీసుకో, ఎక్కడెక్కడ చెప్తే ఫోన్ బాగా తిప్పాల్సి వస్తుంది.
Start. నువ్వు వీరా